How's it rip? You look so sad right now. What's wrong?
Look at the hood.
Oh, no way, bro. Behrad, no.
I seriously want to cry right now.
I'm so sorry, dude. Oh. At least his windshield isn't fucking destroyed. Kyle, you gotta look at this.
What? Never thought I'd see the day that happened to me.
Bro, you pulled a hurt.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
Nah, you would have fully lost it. Dude, at least your windshield didn't break.
It flew up on you?
Yeah. Oh. Right when I fucking left. The hood pins weren't in. I just saw it just, and it was too late. Like as soon as I saw it go up, I slammed the brakes and it just, boom, fucking.
Do you have a hood pins in the car?
They were underneath it because I had fucking popped the hood when I washed it yesterday. And I hadn't put them back in. I didn't notice. I left.
Well, at least this will pop back up easy. There you go. There you go. That's back to normal. Oh, sick.
It's not worth it, dude. I'm gonna get a new one.
Time prevented.
What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Okay, last that I worked on this thing, I was stripping the inside and I was getting it ready to paint for the cage and the interior. Then the weather got really shitty and then it was raining, so then I couldn't paint it. Today's Sunday. Today we were supposed to be drifting at Thunder Hill for Jay's birthday, and that got canceled because
Coronavirus.
So instead, we're home now. It's nice and sunny. So I decided I'll paint the cage and the interior today. So I went and I bought more dry ice. It has not yet disappeared. It's in here. Sawyer's gonna help me kind of film while I do this. Side note, drift cars are the worst idea in the world. Don't buy one. I woke up this morning with a clean hood. I took one drive and my hood flew up on me. Smacked my roof, dented it. Dented the crap out of the hood. It was unfortunate, man. I'm trying not to be upset about it. It was my fault. I have hood pins and I forgot to put the pins in because I was just in a hurry to try to go drive the car real quick, and I forgot. So it was my fault. I got down the street and the hood just flew up. So anyway, I found another hood already. The community's awesome. Someone's giving me a free hood tonight. I gotta just, you know, prep it and paint it and all that, which is fine. I just hate looking at it. But anyway, I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm gonna get started on this. Let's break up some dry ice, pour it over, and start hammering away. I've never done this. Let's see if it works.
Cage looks freaking good. Oh boy.
Ooh, she frosty. Got it all in the hole?
Always put it in the hole, partner.
Oh boy, family-friendly channel. So I've never done this. I've only like seen little bits and pieces of videos of people doing this, so I don't even know if I'm doing this right, but I'll just kind of start with this section. How long do I let it sit?
Holy cow, dude. That's
okay.
how long I guess. That was quick. Dang. You ever tried this before? Oh, brought a bigger hammer though.
Not even hitting the right stuff.
I know, right?
That was good. You're doing great.
That's what I'm saying.
Quit denting the car.
Oh, sheesh.
What is wrong with you?
He's having a little fun.
I'm trying to help.
No.
She comes creeping into
Go grab the cat paw. It's on the workbench. It's that other hammer.
this big hand.
No, not that one. What? I'm doing the thing. Go up here. Go up here. Come on. Come on. Right here. Right here. Nah, 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 nah. There you go. There you go.
How we doing here, Chef?
Doing a little cleanup. Also, Derek told me just leave the dry ice in the bag, and he said you can just like set the bag on top of whatever
Corners
you're trying to
and
do.
stuff.
So I'm gonna try that for some of these corners.
Seems like a power play.
Yeah, I think it's gonna work.
We're keeping it in the bag working.
Yeah, and the bag's pretty good. Oh, what's up, bud?
What up?
Alright, I'm gonna vacuum out all this debris, and then we'll just kind of keep going. Making good progress, though.
Whoa! That's mad aggressive.
So guys, I've made a ton of progress. I haven't filmed a ton, but I am going pretty ham, and I got pretty much all the sound deadening out of the front, and I'm doing the hatch area, like the back seats area. So I'm gonna kind of get rid of all of this just so it's nice and clean. I'll probably do all the way up to here, and then I'm just kind of going through with the wire wheel and hitting any like rust spots and just other parts that have like seam sealer and whatnot, and then yeah, and then I'm gonna start kind of getting ready to paint.
Dude, I don't know. This is... Sorry, I don't want to be negative.
You don't think we're gonna have
It's
time to
just
paint?
like, it's going to take a lot of time to finish
mask.
cleaning it.
Yeah.
Acetone, mask.
Yeah, honestly, yeah, we may not get to paint.
You might as
but-
well like wait. Might be better. I don't know.
But I'm happy to spend the time to like prep it as well as I am now, because I wasn't gonna go at it like this, but might as well now. So, all right, I'm gonna get back to work now. All right, I've been kind of on a roll with this thing. Pretty much cleaned everything out, sound deadening, wire wheeled a lot. Still kind of have more to do, but man, it just looks so much better in here already. Driver's side looks way better. Got a lot of this out. I'm pretty hyped on it. It looks way cleaner in here already. But anyway, I got the cutoff wheel because I want to get rid of this old hydro mount. My hydro used to be on this side when I bought the car, and Evan made me this mount, and I have it on, you know, my side, which is way nicer, but this thing's just kind of in the way. Check it out. I didn't get a chance to vacuum one more time because Kyle unplugged the vacuum. But yeah, I've been working on it all day, so we're tired. Check it out. Didn't come out too bad. I was like limited in space right here, so flap disking that perfectly flat was like not possible, but not too bad. I'm tired. Super successful day because I did not plan on doing so much, and I'm glad that I got to. Pretty much gonna be finishing cleaning the inside. I'm pretty much done with all like grinding it down and like wire wheeling and whatnot. Gotta hit everything with acetone and hit some stuff with the Scotch-Brite pad and finish cleaning the cage in some spots. And then I'm just trying to decide the best way to mask everything to paint. I was thinking just plastic over everything, plastic over the doors, and then pretty much just sending it on everything. Well, like, and you know, masking the windows, but haven't fully decided yet, so we'll figure it out. But anyway, thank you guys for helping today. Appreciate it. Got a lot done. I'm gonna clean up, go inside, and edit this, and see you guys later.